Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. My name's Matthew Kidman and we're talking cheap. Everything's got a price. And to talk about cheap stocks, we have Anton Tagliaferro from Investors Mutual and Alex Leyland from Leyland Asset Management. Bendigo and Adelaide Bank. Regional banks, 6% yield. Alex, buy, hold or sell?
I think it's a sell. I just don't think they stack up against the top four. They've got lower interest margins, so on balance, would buy one of the top four.
Terrific franchise, Anton, grown over the years. Buy, hold or sell, Bendigo Bank?
I think they're a hold. They pay a good dividend. They're very conservatively managed. Their loan book's not very risky. I think they're a hold.
Okay, let's get into retail, but property retail. Now that is cheap. No one wants to know about it. Charter Hall retail, buy, hold or sell?
They're a sell into strength. They're on a 7% yield more or less at the moment, but they've signalled flat distribution this year, and they've got a few challenges ahead.
The Amazon monster is coming. Everyone's scared about the old world retailers. Charter Hall, buy, hold or sell?
I think it's a hold, just for that dividend. So the 7%, it fits in a sort of an income portfolio.
Okay, let's get on to building materials. Just as the housing market stops, construction starts. CSR, buy, hold or sell?
That's a hold. 12 times earnings, growing at about 5%, leverage to the housing market, so it's a hold.
Anton, you've followed CSR long over the years. Buy, hold or sell at the moment?
I think they're a sell at the moment, given where the cycle is and aluminium prices. I'd be selling at these levels. Yeah.
Okay. What's the one cheap stock out there that you think everyone should be turning their attention?
Well, as Crown's one we've been buying recently, below $12. It's on a yield of 5%, sustainable yield of 5%. It's got two terrific casinos in Burswood and Crown in Melbourne. Which they've spent all the capex, they've built everything. The ongoing capex is $80 million a year, which they can, and depreciation's much higher, so their free cash flow is enormous. They're building Barangaroo, which is going to cost them around $2.2 billion. They're hoping to recover $700 million of that, $800 million from apartments, which they'll start selling pre-Christmas. They're selling out of Las Vegas. They're selling out of Ellerton, so it's debt-free essentially. So I think Crown's a pretty compelling buy anywhere below 12.
Prices. Yeah. Okay. Alex, got something on the cheap end?
It's on the nose. Flexi Group. It's had a shocking sort of 6 months. It's had some downgrades. It trades on about 6 times earnings. The yield's about 7% on a 35% payout ratio. So on the valuation metrics, it looks okay.
Let's stick with that word flexible. They might be cheap and nasty, but if you're flexible enough, you'll find a buy in there.